Hello everyone. In this video, I will guide you through how to perform a 180 spin in Skate 4. This fundamental trick is not only visually impressive, but also serves as a building block for more complex combinations. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to initiate an ollie by pressing the jump button. This gives you the necessary air time to execute your spin. Once you're airborne, the next step is straightforward. Simply move your left joystick either to the right or to the left. The direction doesn't actually matter in this case, as both will result in a clean 180-degree rotation. What's particularly convenient about the 180 spin is its versatility. You can incorporate it into various trick combinations to create more impressive sequences. For example, to perform a heel flip 180, you'll first need to execute your heel flip as you normally would, and then while still in the air, move that left joystick to initiate the 180 spin. The timing here is crucial. Make sure you've completed the initial trick before attempting the rotation. When you're first practicing, focus on getting comfortable with the basic 180 before attempting to integrate it into more complex combinations. The key is to ensure you have sufficient air time to complete both movements seamlessly. And there you have it. You've now mastered the 180 spin in Skate 4. By following these steps and practicing regularly, you'll be able to incorporate this fundamental trick into your skating repertoire effortlessly. If you find this video useful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.